Welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes Book Summary. Today we are going to explore the book, Lean Thinking, Banish Waste and Create Wealth in Your Corporation, by James Womack and Daniel Jones, that explores the principles of lean thinking, a management approach that aims to eliminate waste and create value in organizations. The book is based on the author's research on the Toyota production system, which has been widely recognized as a model of lean thinking in action. According to Womack and Jones, lean thinking is a way of thinking about work and organizations that is based on the principles of continuous improvement, value creation, and waste reduction. Lean organizations are characterized by a focus on customer value, a culture of continuous improvement, and a commitment to creating value through the efficient use of resources. One of the key insights of the book is that waste exists in all organizations, in the form of unnecessary steps, defects, overproduction, waiting, unnecessary inventory, unnecessary motion, unnecessary processing, and unnecessary complexity. By identifying and eliminating these forms of waste, organizations can create value for their customers and improve their own efficiency and effectiveness. To apply lean thinking in their organizations, Womack and Jones recommend that leaders follow a 5-step process: specify value from the customer's perspective, identify the value stream, flow the value stream, pull the value stream, and pursue perfection. This process involves identifying the value that customers are seeking, mapping the value stream to identify the sources of waste, creating a flow of value, using a pull system to manage the flow of work, and continually seeking ways to improve the value stream. A few examples mentioned in the book were: first, the Toyota production system. The Toyota production system, TPS, is a production system developed by Toyota that is based on the principles of lean thinking. TPS is characterized by a focus on continuous improvement, the elimination of waste, and the empowerment of workers to identify and solve problems. TPS has been widely adopted by companies around the world, and has been credited with helping Toyota to achieve significant cost savings and improvements in efficiency and quality. Another example was value stream mapping. Value stream mapping is a process for identifying and eliminating waste in a production system. It involves mapping out the entire process of creating a product or service, from start to finish, and identifying the steps that add value and the steps that do not. By eliminating waste and improving the efficiency of the value stream, companies can reduce costs, improve quality, and increase customer satisfaction. Lastly, the author also mentioned the example of Kanban. Kanban is a lean manufacturing system that is based on the principle of just-in-time production. It involves the use of visual signals, such as cards or boards, to control the flow of materials and products through a production system. By using Kanban, companies can reduce inventory levels, improve efficiency, and increase flexibility. In addition to discussing the principles and practices of lean thinking, the book also offers case studies and examples of how organizations have successfully applied these principles to create value and eliminate waste. These examples include companies from a range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and service organizations. Overall, lean thinking is a valuable resource for leaders and managers looking to apply the principles of lean thinking to their organizations. It is a practical and insightful guide to the principles and practices of lean thinking and how to create a culture of continuous improvement and value creation.